armour.
New armour, you beauty. Oh, looks good. Looks like it should protect you pretty well, mate, eh? Alpine Star. Yeah, it's got back protection, shoulders, chest. Got a bit of a kidney belt there. Yeah. Feel a bit like Superman?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Nice
Gives you big
strong.
muscles.
Yeah. Yeah, look at these.
Oh, look at those little tablet muscles. Here we are, Cal. We're out and about again. First trip out for ages.
Yep.
Ready for it?
Yep.
Good on
go.
you, mate. You can go if you want, I'll catch you.
I'll go.
Oh, away he goes. Don't worry about your old man.
You originally said to go.
Yeah, I did. I'll catch you. There he goes. Remember, it's a little bit slippery coming out of there. It's all good.
Yeah.
Just pick your line and go for it. Keep looking ahead. Watch your line.
Yep.
You're doing well, mate. Hey, it's the front wheel, eh?
Yep.
Always just be a bit more wary when you see trees on the side like that, like you don't want to fall into it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fall on it, yeah. Like, don't look at it so much you run into it, but just be aware it's there, you know, yeah.
At the end of the day, you don't want a stick going through your leg.
Yeah, good line, good line.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Well done. Oh, there's a four-wheel drive coming in.
Oh yeah.
We should be right though. You just go left and keep going. Go left and keep going. Yep, I reckon we'll beat it. You're riding good, mate. Good decisions. There's that tree you were talking about before.
Yeah.
Oh, looking good, mate. Feeling good?
Yep.
Cool. Sounding better too. Can hear you.
Yeah.
Oh, you're flicking mud on me. Good on ya. Yeah, go straight, that's it. Bit quicker.
Remember that time when you went through a puddle and it went all over me?
Yeah, you're trying to get me back, are you?
Yeah. feels excellent.
Yeah, excellent. Well, that's awesome. Nice, well done, mate. Oh man, hitting every tree. Yeah, look at that for a mud pit. Look, this used to be flat as. I want to take the $1.50 challenge. I'll give Cal $1.50 if he goes through that middle one. And he has to wash his own bike and clean his air filter and everything. He's not doing it. It's going at good speed. That was a poor line, mate. That wasn't your most clever line. Your little bike's doing it easier through here than mine. And well done. Try not to flick this up. This could muddy you. Oh, you did well. Whoop.
Wait, go.
No, you go, mate.
No, you go, I need space.
Oh, mate, I'll catch you, I'm pretty sure. You give me a good challenge now.
Yep. I'll probably see you next to me in like
Alright, he's got a
5
good head
seconds.
start.
10
See if we can
seconds.
catch up.
Standing up. Not now, not. Oh, a little bit sandy.
I can hear you now. Coming. I can see ya. I've hunted you down, son. It was a good challenge. You can't outrun the DRZ. Not yet. You gave it a good shot. Hey!
Hey!
You're kicking flies, were you? Karate kicking the flies, mate. Oh, another spider web.
Yeah!
Nice.
And now we're out onto the open part. No cars coming.
Girl, good looking, well done. See, this is where standing up's just so much easier, mate. Over all these little bumps. That was good. Yeah, good. That's good. I'm glad you gave it a go.
Yep, thanks.
I think something bit me on the bloody neck. This ride was a bit of a test for your armour. I'm glad we didn't actually test it. You felt comfortable in it?
Mhm.
Yeah.
I just felt like there's just carrying in a hydration pack, really.
Cool.
But when you don't focus on it, you can't feel it
Yeah,
at
you
all.
just start riding, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm glad we got it. I'm glad
Yeah.
you like it. You prefer.
The dream.
You take the dream for some
Thank you.
dreams. I'll leave the cherry ripe. Hey! You cheeky bugger. Alright, we'll enjoy that. Pack up.
Yep.
And hopefully I can make a video out of this. Thanks for watching. We enjoyed this ride after having a few weeks off and looking forward to trying some new tracks soon. Our single tracks we planned are out of action for a while unfortunately, so I am looking to find another suitable area for us. To see more, sub if you like or keep an eye out as they pop up. We hope you got something out of it, and the young fella really enjoys the comments, so if you can make that effort, that'd be awesome. Till the next one, cheers and hooroo.